Hi everyone, my name is Tina. Welcome to my channel. For those of you who are coming back, welcome back. And for those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. If you're looking for style inspiration, beauty and skincare ideas, as well as wellness, then you're in the right channel. And on today's video, we're going to talk about 10 different ways on how to look more attractive or more pretty in an instant. So stay tuned, you don't want to miss this one. Alright, so the first tip that I have is to exfoliate. No brainer. We all don't want to have that dead skin cells on top of our skin because that makes our skin really dull. So you want to get rid of that so that the new skin cells come out, and that gives your skin that youthful, glowing skin. So we have two kinds of exfoliation. We have the mechanical and the chemical exfoliation. So for the mechanical exfoliation, it involves the physically scrubbing your skin surface with a scrub, dry brush, or another exfoliating skincare tool. Now you can get these brushes on stores. Longstrokes have it, Nordstrom has it. They have those kind of brush that you can actually use to physically scrub your skin. Now the second one is the chemical exfoliation, which actually involves the use of chemicals, right? It uses the salicylic acid, the alpha hydroxy acids, or enzymes to chemically break down surface buildup. Now products formulated with this exfoliating ingredients are often liquid exfoliators, but they can also be included in the formulas of face creams, cleansers, and more too. Now you can absolutely do the chemical and mechanical exfoliation on your own, but I would definitely recommend seeing an expert or a professional when it comes to chemical exfoliation, because if you don't know what you're doing, you can actually irritate your skin, especially for those who have sensitive skin. Not only that, if you go to a professional or expert, they can also help you get rid of those blackheads or whiteheads on your nose. One of the favorite things that I want to do when I go to a spa or professional is the microdermabrasion. It's a form of mechanical exfoliation where they actually use suction to take off the epidermis of your skin, which gives your skin that softer, brighter, youthful look. It's a little bit less irritating for me than the chemical peel. So whether you implement mechanical or chemical exfoliation into your skincare routine, the main purpose of exfoliation is to slough off the buildup of dead skin cells from skin surface. And that's important since dead skin cells slows down as we age, which can lead to duller looking skin. And what's more is that regularly exfoliating can also help to make the other products work better, since they won't be sitting on top of lots of buildup. Okay, let's move along to my second tip, which is your eyebrow. Your eyebrow is actually a very prominent feature of your face, and the eyebrows can either make or break your overall look. When done right and shaped in accordance with the shape of your face, they can accentuate all the right features and will give you a polished look. It is an important feature, and just a slight change in eyebrow shape can change your whole look. If you're not sure of what brow shape you need, grow your brows out and head to a professional or reputable spa to get them shaped. And you can definitely reshape your own brow once you know the right arch for you or the right brow shape for your face. Okay, moving on to my tip number 3, which is to contour. One thing about contouring is that it actually defines our bone structure. This technique actually makes our cheekbones more prominent, our nose appear smaller, and enhances the areas that some people like, such as stronger jawlines, smaller foreheads, as well as bigger eyes. The other good thing about contouring is it actually flatters and shapes our facial features or structures. It helps us reclaim our cheekbones. They will look more prominent and lifted, drawing more attention to our eyes, helps our face look more youthful and toned, and it also slims and firms our jawline, which can help make a high forehead look less prominent, and it can also help smile lines look less prominent. And the good thing about it, it can take years off of your face. So contour is actually a very good idea if you want to look more attractive. If you want to do an experiment on this one, you can actually take a photo with the contour or without a contour, and you compare which one is better. Okay, let's move along to tip number 4, which is to use mascara or apply fake eyelashes. For those who are blessed with long and thick eyelashes, I don't think they really need fake eyelashes. I think just applying mascara is good enough. But for those who are not blessed to have those, I think having fake eyelashes would actually help them look better. I'm actually not wearing one right now because I can't stand having fake eyelashes on my eyes. But I had it in the past, and I can tell the difference of having fake eyelashes and not having one. And right now I don't have it, but if I put it on or if I have it, it actually makes my eyes a little bit bigger and actually brightens my face a little bit better. And not only that, applying mascara to your upper eyes actually give you a refreshed look instantly, and the same mascara when applied in the lower lashes can actually enhance the lines and wrinkles around your eyes. Alright, so let's move along to tip number 5, which is to whiten your teeth. Okay, white teeth doesn't only represent exceptional oral health and good genes, but as the mouth is typically the first thing a person notices about another, your smile must be beautiful, right? Having stained yellow teeth is a common problem because lifestyle changes like smoking, eating acidic foods, and drinking caffeinated drinks. Such choices will affect our success professionally, financially, and personally, which is why so many dental patients seek out cosmetic whitening services to overcome these challenges. There are some whitening strips that you can buy in the store that is actually a lot cheaper than going to the dentist, and it is as effective as it is to going to the dentist. Okay, let's go on to tip number 6, which is posture. Okay, people with good posture are actually perceived as healthy, confident, successful, and capable people. If you have good posture, you're more likely to attract people with the same posture as yourself, including all of the same great qualities and perceptions that come with it. People look taller and slimmer and look more confident when they have good posture. My number 7 tip is actually to wear your color. So what does it mean? Let me explain. When you wear colors that complement your skin tone instead of clashing with it, you're tuning into your body and natural complexion, which will make you look and feel your best. If you have lighter hair like light brown, natural blonde, you have gray or blue eyes, your skin tone is actually fair or pale, right? So you have pink skin undertones, so you would think something like maybe sky blues, cobalt, frosty purple, emerald greens, light grassy tones, and anything pastel. If you have darker hair, black, dark, brown, auburn hair, you have brown or brown hazel eyes, your skin tone is dark olive or golden in tone. So you have yellow skin undertones. And then if we have those, then we could think of like fiery reds, oranges, rusty tones, creams, camel, and all things earth tones. And the other thing we could do is we could actually do experiment. So we can put on different colors of clothes. We can take pictures of it or take video, and then we can compare which of those colors actually look better on us. So the number 8 tip that I have is to actually show your curve or accentuate your figure. So women, all women are beautiful. And we all have our figures, our body shape, and then we can actually do show our curve or accentuate our figure by wearing the right kind of clothes. And you can do this by experimenting. You can put on different clothes, take pictures, take videos, and then you can see which one of those clothes really suit you better. So the number 9 tip that I have is to make sure you have a good hairstyle. Now, a woman's hair is actually the first most noticeable part of her beauty. It enhances her personality. It's an important part of her appearance and sets the tone of her entire look. So when you're looking at the person, you're looking at the hair as well. Where there are many different reasons why you want to have good hairstyle if you want to look attractive. It doesn't only enhances your beauty, but it also can make you look like professional or a bum. Or it can tell people that you don't take care of yourself if you don't take care of your hair. The other thing about the good right hairstyle is that it can actually enhances your good feature and hides the one that is not of good feature. Like for me, I don't like this chubby cheeks, and I have like smaller eyes, so I do want to cover it with my hair like this. And I also like the angle bob hairstyle, as it actually also hides my cheeks and makes my eyes a little bit bigger, and it basically just brightens my face, and it actually makes me a little bit younger. Now my last tip is actually to be confident. Now confidence actually creates aura that draws people in. Now a lot of people don't have confidence, and a lot of people actually have low self-esteem, so they're actually very intrigued how people do have that confidence in them. Being confident or achieving confidence is actually a lot harder than we think. But know this, you are beautiful, you are unique. Show the world that, and that speaks to itself. Thank you so much for watching till the end of this video. I hope I have given you good perspective and a lot of inspiration. If you do like this video, please click on the like button. And if you like to see future videos from me, you can hit that notification bell down below. I'll see you then.